Hello, this is Josh, Dream Body Clinic, and today we're going to hear from returning patient Elena. So she was first here 2 years ago. She was having major hip problems and didn't know what to do. Nothing they were offering back home was working for her. She didn't know what to do next. Luckily, she did her research. She heard about stem cell therapy, and then she came to us. So we did the hip treatment. It's really easy injection into the hip. We put 50 million stem cells. It can help heal and regenerate labral tears and help with arthritis, ligaments, tendons, and it worked so well for her that she's actually back to figure skating. She talks about in this video how she got back to that, and she'll explain. We then last year helped her lower back. She was having some pain and problems there. We did treatment, and now she's here again doing her neck and thoracic spine, and also doing her hip again. Her hip's still doing really well, but she just wants to keep it there, so decided to go on the preventative route this way and treat that again. So stay tuned, hear from Elena. You can find more information about these treatments and prices and everything at www.dreambody.clinic. I'm Josh, happy to help.
Well, today we have Elena. She's a receiving patient. So, Elena, can you tell us, please, what condition led you to seek the stem cell therapy?
I have a pretty severe arthritis in my hip, and that was a primary issue when I visited DBC first time 2 years ago. And I had pretty good experience, and I wouldn't say great effect from treatment. So now I'm coming back. I'm here back for my back treatment, which again, I have the arthritis in my back, neck, and that's my primary reason for the treatment today.
Before coming to Dream Body Clinic, what treatments have you tried and how that worked for you?
Well, as I said, my first experience was injection in my hip. And anytime I have treatment, the experience is pretty smooth, but probably every patient, like every customer,
different.
expect the what's going to be the result. And as I said, within 2 years, my hip is doing just great. And before the treatment, I wasn't able to even, sometimes to even walk, and I had pain sleeping and limited range of motion. And right now, 2 years later, after just one injection, I actually do figure skating and participated in my first competition. That's pretty amazing. The last year I was here for my low back treatment again, arthritis and some disc issues. And this year I'm here for again hip treatment, just to kind of
Maintenance.
consolidate results and maybe to improve it a little bit more. And my neck and middle back treatment.
Middle back, yeah. So please tell us, why do you decide to travel to Mexico and choose Dream Body Clinic for the treatment?
It's a great question. I actually, before coming to Dream Body Clinic, I had experience with exosome in the United States. It was my first injection in my hip again. And the effect was great, which kind of led me to thinking about stem cells, but it was temporary. So within 6 months after injection, it kind of wore off essentially. And I was back to square one. So that's when I started researching about more long-term effects and what can provide this long-term effect. And this is how I came across Dream Body Clinic actually on YouTube.
Cool.
So, and the reason I chose Dream Body Clinic because first of all, there was a lot of information and it was reasonable. And I have some medical background, so I understand when people talk about the medical services or products, understanding them and that's what attracted me. Um, and the website was extremely helpful. I mean, transparency, like price transparency, and all the organizational steps, how to contact you, how to like arrive here, what to expect here. You know, it was really great. So I appreciate it.
You're welcome. Well, that's the next question. What was your experience like from the arrival to the treatments and all that process?
Oh boy, it was really smooth. Well, I mean, the whole journey starts actually when you contact clinic first, and yeah, pretty quickly you will receive a kind of communication back. And if you have any questions, you have an opportunity to discuss it with either physician or Josh directly. And guys will always answer all the questions, which I had a lot before my first treatment, obviously, because I was like, I didn't know anything, I was nervous. So that was great. And then when I arrived here, the pickup service is great. I mean, the driver's amazing, and they supported us. Kind of our commute from airport and back. And yeah, and that's another thing that the clinic actually advises where like best areas where to stay here, and what restaurants to go to, or any activities. And the hotel that we chose all 3 times was actually on your website.
Yeah.
So we totally enjoyed. We came whole family, my kid and husband, and every time we come here, it's just like a small vacation for the whole family. And this time, my husband is actually trying his first treatment as well.
The first treatment, yeah, for him.
Yeah.
And well, the last question, what would you say to someone looking or considering like these treatments and this clinic?
Well, the results are great, definitely. And though I want to kind of, and that's what I appreciated from Josh videos as well. You have to understand that and expect realistic results. So, like for example, for me, I didn't expect that I will run because I knew my condition, and but the improvement is definitely reasonable, and that's what you have to expect, that the treatment will provide improvement to your disease. But another thing also, when you come back to where you're from, I mean, to your home, you have to follow specific instructions to ensure that that support that stem cells provide your body does not waste it in a way that you have to, for example, for any orthopedic problems, you have to do physical therapy, obviously. For any like metabolic disease, so you have to follow instructions on how to change your lifestyle and maybe what food you eat and stuff like that. This definitely has to be a kind of routine process for those who receive this treatment.
Perfect. So that's it. We're finished.
If you'd like to learn more about this, please give us a call toll-free at 888-704-3977 or check out the website at www.dreambody.clinic. Scroll down on the homepage, you'll see all the treatments are listed. Very easy to see the treatments. Select the one you want. The information's there, the price, everything you could want to know, links to studies, patient testimonials, all of that's there. I'm Josh, happy to help.